Miami has long been known as the gateway to the Americas, and it's a reputation borne out by the city's international airport. Every day more than 40,000 passengers arrive from or go to Latin America and the Caribbean. But being a busy travel hub potentially makes Florida vulnerable. Some of Florida's most senior politicians have already voiced their concerns that Miami's international airport may not have the resources to cope with the Zika virus. But experts we've spoken to say it's getting back to scientific basics that will help the most.
Almost all experts are expecting that we'll see locally transmitted cases at some point in the United States.
Justin Stoller at the University of Miami has been studying infectious diseases for years and says there's nothing new in how communities can adapt and respond to the Zika virus. Florida already has programs in place to battle the Aedes aegypti mosquito that spreads dengue fever, chikungunya and the Zika virus. But he tells us a real difference can be made by improving living conditions globally and accurately diagnosing those who fall ill.
The faster the better in terms of basic services, but to me it's getting back to the basics. Diagnostics, basic data, basic science on what's transmitting, trying to get a perfect diagnosis on every patient everywhere in the world.
At Miami's Mosquito Control Center, it's business as usual. Officials here have no plans to implement any special measures to combat the Zika virus, but say it's people who will make the biggest difference.
We are appealing to the public, appealing to the homeowners, to property owners to do their job. They are called to play a major role right now in preventing that these diseases get established in our county by eliminating every single accumulation of water around home.
As yet, there are no federal guidelines in response to a potential outbreak of the Zika virus in Florida. That may change as the weather gets warmer, but officials say it's education programs and the public's role that will be most crucial. Andy Gallagher, Al Jazeera, Miami, Florida.